Swarm technology will revolutionize how we manage air traffic for eVTOLs in our cities. Today, we're going to explore how this innovative technology is transforming air traffic management, making it safer and more efficient. What will this mean for the future of urban flying? Let's dive in and discover how swarm technology works. As electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOLs, get ready to fill city skies, managing this busy, low-altitude airspace will need a brand new approach. The traditional air traffic systems we have today just aren't designed for handling so many small, fast-moving vehicles at once. That's where swarm drones, autonomous drones that work together in real time, come in. These drones can help transform air traffic management for eVTOLs by keeping the skies safe and organized. Picture hundreds of eVTOLs moving over city streets. Swarm drones can manage this crowded airspace by continuously tracking where each aircraft is and, when needed, rerouting them to prevent collisions. For example, during trials in Europe led by Volocopter, swarm technology redirected eVTOLs around obstacles like unexpected weather or sudden vertiport shutdowns. Similar tests are underway in the US through the FAA's Unmanned Traffic Management Program, aiming to keep eVTOLs safely rerouted without causing air traffic disruptions. Swarm technology relies on advanced algorithms that allow drones to communicate with each other. No central control needed. A key example is the WiSwarm algorithm, a new tool that lets drones quickly exchange data like location, speed, and flight path. This instant data sharing is crucial in a crowded sky, where even a slight delay could lead to an accident. Swarm technology also uses the Age of Information concept, a real-time data system originally created for military use but now being tested for civilian air traffic. AOI ensures that each drone has the freshest data available to make quick decisions, like changing routes in complex, unpredictable urban environments. Cities come with their own set of challenges for low-flying aircraft, like the closeness of tall buildings and the unpredictable flow of people and cars below. That's where swarm technology really shines. Unlike traditional air traffic control, which relies on a central command, swarm drones talk directly to each other. This means they can quickly adjust their paths on the spot. For example, if a vertiport suddenly becomes unavailable, the swarm can quickly find other landing spots for nearby eVTOLs, avoiding any disruptions. This ability to adapt on the fly is a major plus in busy urban skies. Swarm drones are super smart thanks to artificial intelligence. They can predict traffic patterns, spot trends, and adjust their flight paths to dodge congestion. By analyzing data from onboard sensors in real time, these drones can detect potential collisions early and change course without needing a human to step in. Companies like Volocopter and Joby Aviation are heavily investing in these AI systems. In fact, a recent report by Spherical Insights predicts that the air taxi market will balloon to a whopping $80.3 billion by 2029. Swarm drones will be key in keeping pace with this demand by offering a scalable and reliable way to manage air traffic. Handling real-time data is super important for swarm drones, and that's where 5G technology comes into play. With its low latency and high bandwidth, 5G lets drones send and receive information in the blink of an eye, which is crucial for making quick decisions in busy airspace. This advanced tech means drones can manage traffic smoothly, especially with the global drone market projected to reach $54.6 billion by 2030. Of course, swarm technology faces some hurdles, especially regarding regulations and getting the public on board. Aviation authorities like the FAA in the US and EASA in Europe are working on new rules for how swarm drones can operate, but it's a slow process. There are also worries about noise pollution, privacy, and safety that need to be tackled as these drones start flying in more populated areas. Despite these challenges, with innovation moving at a fast pace and ongoing trials happening around the world, swarm drones are likely to become a vital part of how we manage air traffic in the near future. What do you think? How will swarm technology change the way we navigate our skies? Share your thoughts in the comments below.